At Reliabilityweb, it's our honor to provide expertise and information to improve your career trajectory and improve asset performance. Our renowned conferences are a fantastic catalyst for growth. Attendees gain real-world insights, network with international industry leaders, and return to work with an average of 95% actionable takeaways. The Certified Reliability Leader and the Certified Maintenance Manager workshops will prepare you to take the next step in your career. Training courses are online and in person and will help you stand out in the workforce. And for those who go the extra mile with documented improvement projects, the prestigious CRL Black Belt awaits, a credential in high demand within our community. We shine a spotlight on the best in the business. Reliabilityweb's network includes top-tier RLI members, dedicated RLF Consortium volunteers, Uptime Award winners, and esteemed authors, all contributing to make assets perform at their peak. Immersion in this network and the new mental models in the CRL workshop leads to financial success, a deep passion for your work, and a strong sense of purpose as it has for thousands of others. For organizations of all sizes, we're synonymous for enhanced asset and equipment performance, safety, sustainability, and increased profitability. Take a stand and begin your reliability journey today by creating a free subscription account at reliabilityweb.com.